Right now, Tropical Storm Francine is approaching hurricane status. Forecasters say the tropical storm could grow to a Category 2 hurricane by the time it makes landfall.
And that is expected to happen in Louisiana tomorrow evening. Another Gulf Coast state bracing as well, as Amy Kiley reports.
This is going to be a storm that could intensify.
Storm preparations are underway in Gulf Coast states today as Francine strengthens off the Texas shore. Forecasters say it's possible ocean temperatures could make it a Category 2 hurricane by its anticipated landfall tomorrow.
There's the warm water. This is 5 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than it should be this time of year.
Near Houston, the coastal city of Galveston is getting ready.
The loss of power is a very serious reality. We saw it during Hurricane Beryl. We're going to see it again. We don't know about Francine, but we'll have to wait and see.
Francine is expected to strike Louisiana directly.
We want everyone in the state to be cautious and vigilant.
These folks are making sure they have gas.
You may experience power outages, and then one of the things most concerning to us in GOSEP is generator safety.
Forecasters predict dangerous storm surge and flooding along the coast.
It is important that people adhere to the warnings that their local officials put out. By adhering to those warnings, then guess what? You end up saving lives as well.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.
All right, we are keeping a close eye on that, even issuing a weather impact alert here at home.
Yeah, because I think that the impacts will be felt here probably by Thursday. In fact, late Wednesday night, I think some rain will start to get in here, but some heavy thunderstorms could come as well as a result with that tropical air mass that's going to be moving up our way as we head into Thursday and Friday. That's our 11 Alive weather impact days. Thursday and Friday, got a 70 to 60% chance for showers and thunderstorms to come our way, both Thursday, Friday, and then that chance goes down as we head into the upcoming weekend. Today, though, we got the sunshine on the outside. Looks great, and temperatures warming up. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s for afternoon highs. Look at that. Beautiful on the outside. Looks great. Looks great. Nothing much on the radar, as you can see, except for a few clouds just south of the Macon area. Those clouds will be building, heading up to the north as we head into late afternoon, going into early evening. You'll start to see some high, thin clouds first, and then eventually those clouds will take us over. I think today is the last day of the week that you're going to see the sunshine, and also the warmest day of the week. As you can see, temperatures are in the 70s this afternoon. Well, heading toward the afternoon. 76 degrees in Athens. 76 also in Atlanta, down to our Peachtree City, 72 in Carrollton, 69 in Blairsville, that's your cool spot, 74 degrees over into George's Rome, 73 in Canton, and also into Gainesville as well. Notice the moisture building up to the north here, over toward Louisiana, headed toward Jackson. You got the rainfall that's making its way further off to the north. That's going to build as well as the storm gets a little bit closer to the area. It's still well down there to the south. Stationary boundary, that moisture overriding that. I don't worry too much about that. High pressure has been in our vicinity, and so our wind's still out of the east. On the light side for today, not going to be too breezy out there, but we'll be watching what Francine does. Now those winds up to 65 miles per hour and starting to take a little bit better shape right now. It's a nice little small tropical storm, a decent sized tropical storm. Those now starting to pick up some forward speed. It was down at 5 miles per hour yesterday and earlier this morning, now starting to get up to 8 miles per hour, and we suspect that that will start to increase as well as the storm gets a little bit stronger. It is forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane by today as it rides right along the Texas coastline there, headed right toward Louisiana. Now, with each run, we've been seeing this landfall get a little bit further over toward the east. And so this could be very, very close to New Orleans. So we'll have to watch that as well. Now, as it begins to make landfall, it starts to bend further to the north, almost due north. So it moves up through Jackson, Mississippi, through Memphis as a tropical depression, and then continuing up where it will start to dissipate over the St. Louis area. Now, notice that cone of uncertainty stays far enough away from us that we won't see any direct impacts from the storm, but from those outer bands that move through, that's where we can get our impacts from, especially on Thursday going into Friday. Rainfall, number one, we can see decent amount of rain. Now, we do need the rain, but we can see a decent amount of it, especially for our westernmost counties. Some thunderstorms could accompany that as well, so we'll have to be on the lookout for any severe weather that could be around with those gusty winds. Notice the clouds increasing tonight. We'll have mostly cloudy skies by the time we get to 10, 11 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, you're going to wake up with mostly cloudy skies. We'll stay that way through early afternoon. Late, some light showers could begin to move in. Heavier showers will come our way as we head into Thursday, especially Thursday afternoon. A couple thunderstorms embedded in there could create some damage as far as the wind gusts go. Thursday and Friday will be our days that we'll be looking out for. That rain chance goes down Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday of next week as those temperatures go back to the 80s after a small stint in the 70s. Guys, back to you.